So there's this frog that is really loud and I can't get rid of him, so he's probably going to be croaking through this whole video. Sorry. Hey y'all, thanks for tuning back into Chickanic. Hope everybody's having a great week. Don't go anywhere because today we are not fixing anything, but you are going to want to hang around to get details on how to win a super cool prize. But before we jump into today's video, if you're a fan of saving time, money, and frustration while fixing your own small engine equipment while watching in-depth tutorials, you've come to the right place because that's what I do. I upload a couple times a week, and if that sounds interesting, hit that like button, smash that subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and please leave a comment. I love to read through the comments, and I will reply to all the early commenters. So, I am super excited to show you I got a box from YouTube. Now, when I show you what's in this box, I have to say it is you. This represents every single one of you. I could not have gotten what is inside this box without each and every one of you. So I want to share this with you because I cannot thank everyone enough for being on this journey with me, for liking, subscribing, just your comments, everything. Everybody has been so nice. And I am just super excited to show you that frog, man. I have the 100,000 subscriber play button from YouTube. So I don't know if you can see that without it blinding you from the lights, but it says Chickanic on it, presented to Chickanic for passing 100,000 subscribers. That's you. That's every single one of you. And I cannot thank you enough for helping me get this. I am just so lucky to be able to do this, to make, this little corner of my garage or a section of my shop a classroom, to teach millions of people, over 10 million views now, how to fix their own small engine equipment, to save them time, money, and frustration. That's the most awesome thing when I get a comment from somebody telling me that they finally had the courage up to fix their own small engine equipment and that they succeeded. I had a customer come in the shop this past week and he wanted to get a carburetor for a Husqvarna trimmer. And as I was talking to him, I started giving my spiel about, I don't have aftermarkets. I sell, OEM equipment because I know it's going to work. He's like, yeah, I saw a YouTube video. And then he's like, wait a minute, that was you. You inspired me to fix my own equipment. And that was just here at my own shop. It was so awesome to have somebody get inspired to do things that they never thought they were able to do before. That is amazing to me. So it's time for me to give back. And I cannot wait to tell y'all what I have in store for you. For those of you that have been around for a minute and been watching my videos, you've noticed that I have this chainsaw sitting behind me, staring at you for months now. There's a reason that it's been sitting here. I've been holding on to it, keeping it out of my inventory at the shop because I wanted to use this bad boy for a giveaway. So let me introduce you to the Echo CS355T. Comes with a 14-inch bar with a 3/8 low chain. Has a primer bulb for easy starting. Easy chain adjust on the side cover. It is 35.5 cc's of power, but with that powerful punch, you can use it with one hand. I'm telling you guys, this thing is awesome. Super desirable with my commercial cutters because it is such a powerful saw in such a light, compact unit. Very easy to start, very easy. So, one person is going to be a super lucky winner, but that's not all. There's going to be more stuff. I'm going to be giving away t-shirts and lots of just cool swag. So let me tell you how you can win. First, you need to watch the rest of this video. Why? Because although it is a really cool compilation of all the crazy stuff that I've seen come into the shop this past year, it is going to be part of the giveaway, and you're going to want to pay extra detail to the rest of it. So, take a minute to check out this video, and more details to come. did you catch all that? Hopefully you did, because it will help you win this Echo CS355T. If you didn't pay attention, you might want to watch it again, because next weekend we are going to be doing a live stream. And I don't know what the date is. Today is... I don't know. Anyways, I'll be letting everybody know on the notifications. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. That way you can get a notification that I'm going to be doing a live stream on Sunday, and we're going to be giving away this CS355T t-shirt, swag, Echo stuff, lots of stuff. So you're not going to want to miss it. But if you don't know the details of this video, it's going to be difficult. So guys, thank you. Every single one of you. Thank you so much. We're now up to 120,000 subscribers, over 10 million views. This is an amazing, amazing journey, and I'm just so happy to share it with each and every one of you. Hopefully I can keep coming up with content to save you time, money, and frustration in the future. Thanks again for tuning into Chickanic. Have a great day.